All right, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and to a song from Mika called Yo-Yo. Very easy song to play, and we have 4 chords in one direction from up here down the fretboard to the A. So that is how this song goes with only one strumming pattern. Let's start. No need for any capo, and we will start with the D minor. Usually we have it down here, but we'll go up here on the fretboard because I believe for this song and how the chords comes, it will be easier to have the D minor with a bar chord. And there you will find the D minor here on the 5th fret, a bar from the A string and down, so 5 strings, and the rest will be 7th on D, 7th on G, and 6th on B. That's the D minor. Then we go down to the C, and I will prefer to play the C as a bar chord as well. I will explain soon. So the C bar chord, you need to put a bar on the 3rd fret from the A string and down still. And so that is 5 strings, and the rest will be 5th on D, 5th on G, and 5th on B. Next is the A sharp. You take the same grip as the C bar chord and just move it 2 frets down the road to the 1st fret. There you have the bar. Okay, so still same chord, bar on the 1st fret, 5 strings from the A string and down, and the rest will be 3rd on D, 3rd on G, and 3rd on B. And then you have the final chord, the A. You just move the 3 fingers you're using for the bar chord 1 fret up to this position. That's the standard A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. So that is the reason we have a natural way of going from this position and all the way up here. So that will be easier in my opinion than moving around like this and taking the different chords. So only one grip like this and then just move it. So D minor, C, A sharp, and A. All right. Now we need to just look at the strumming pattern. So let's grab that D minor since that is the 1st chord. One round will sound like this. Okay. And you're gonna play one strumming pattern per chord. Okay. So this pattern will be down, clap, down, up, down, clap. All right. So down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, and down, clap, down, up, down, clap. And that is pretty much it when it comes to Mika's yo-yo. Treat me like a yo-yo. That's what they're saying here. So good luck with this one, guys. And pretty easy song to play and fun as well. So play tuned.